Guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a long time since I upload anything about the land. We've been busy, we've been working, but most of the times I've been here with the big crews. I had no time to record as much because we were rushing to get as much as work possible for the day. Look at this. This here used to be a forest. There is still a lot to be done. Another thing that I want to share with you guys, anyone that is interested in following the channel, is that I just recently bought this land across the road. Is right this here, right this one, and this was a mess as well. Nobody have been taking care of it for the past 17 years. Just like a week ago I got the keys and we get the papers and everything, so I went in with a trimmer and I clean everything, but unfortunately, because I was very excited about getting the keys and coming up cleaning the area, I forgot my GoPro, so I couldn't record it. But I will upload a few pictures now as the video goes, so you can get the idea. We clean up this place right here. So guys, there's a few time lapses which are from the previous days that we've been working here with the team. Let's get started. Time lapse today. Any questions, any comments, put them down below. So let's get started. Right, so it's early in the morning. Weather it's okay. It's a bit cold though. So far, where are we at with the construction? There's so many people that advise me to cut this tree because it's too big. Winter it's dangerous, and from a lot of rain, snow, and minus degrees temperature, there's a big possibility that it may crack somewhere and fell over the construction. And here it's gonna be like a balcony slash decking, so I just don't want to risk it. So what I'm gonna do, just because I like this tree so much, it starts with a single and it goes to 3 separate trees. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean it up all the way, as much as I could go, as high as I could go, and then I'm gonna cut it equally, and I will leave it like this. And eventually in the near future, if I decide that I want to cut it completely, it will be easier for me and less dangerous for the building.